Today, we're diving into the world of RAM with the XPG DDR4 D55 RGB 16GB kit. Designed for desktops, this memory module boasts impressive specs and features that cater to both performance enthusiasts and RGB lovers alike. Let's talk about performance first. With a memory speed of 3200 MHz and a CAS latency of 16-20-20, this kit delivers snappy responsiveness and smooth multitasking. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running intensive applications, the XPG DDR4 D55 ensures your system keeps up with your demands. But it's not just about speed, it's also about style. The customizable RGB lighting effects powered by the XPG Prime app and other major RGB lighting apps allow you to personalize your setup to match your mood or aesthetic. Whether you prefer a subtle glow or a vibrant light show, the possibilities are endless. Compatibility is another highlight of this kit. It supports the latest Intel X299 platform and AMD X570 chipset, ensuring seamless integration into your system. Plus, with Intel XMP 2.0 support, overclocking becomes a breeze, giving you even more performance potential. Durability is key when it comes to hardware, and the XPG DDR4 D55 doesn't disappoint. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, you can trust that your investment is protected for the long haul. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable and stylish memory upgrade for your desktop, look no further than the XPG DDR4 D55 RGB 16GB kit. It combines high performance, customizable RGB lighting, and wide compatibility to offer the ultimate desktop memory experience. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.